Automate your production. Maximize efficiency with Southern Machinery tube feeders. Are manual processes for tube packaged components causing production bottlenecks, inconsistent quality, or excessive labor costs on your SMT line? Traditional component handling methods often lead to wasted time, materials, and valuable factory space. Southern Machinery presents our advanced tube feeder solutions, designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing SMT pick-and-place machines and automate the insertion of tube-packaged components. Elevate your PCB assembly to new levels of efficiency and precision. Our comprehensive range includes the TF1001D dual-track feeder and TF4000 multi-tube feeder, handling a wide array of components such as transformers, relays, transistors, ICs, SOP chips, MOS tubes, and heat sinks. The TF1001D offers dual-track output for twice the efficiency of single-rail models, maximizing space utilization. With a high storage capacity of up to 40 tubes, it significantly reduces the frequency of refilling and liberates labor. Our SSTF01 SOP tube feeder is specifically designed for SOP chips, ensuring continuous 24-hour uninterrupted operation with the feeding speed of 0.8 seconds and plus-minus 0.5 millimeters accuracy. These feeders feature motorized precision for reliable transfer, consistent delivery, and automatic tube loading and empty tube abandonment, streamlining production. Constructed from high-speed steel and aluminum alloy, they ensure stability, low loss, and long operational life. Benefits include predictable product quality, reduced human errors, and improved equipment utilization. Southern Machinery brings over 20 years of experience in SMT and auto insertion solutions, holding patents in odd form feeders. We are trusted by global leaders like GE, Bosch, Philips, Flex, Jabil, and Juki. Our tube feeders enable auto insertion on almost all brands of SMT mounters, including Panasonic, Juki, Fuji, ASM, and Universal, ensuring broad compatibility. We offer customized solutions and provide comprehensive support, including 7x24 worldwide support, free installation and training, and one-day lead time for spare parts. Automating with our feeders can significantly reduce labor costs, effectively making one machine equal to 10 workers. Ready to optimize your production line with reliable, high-efficiency tube feeders? Visit www.smthelp.com to explore our full range of solutions. For customizing queries, email us at info@smthelp.com. Transform your manufacturing processes today.